everybody, it's Charlotte from Thompson Leisure. Welcome back to Thompson TV. So our brand new 2025 Swift Voyager 510 has just landed with us. So I'm going to show you around the outside and the inside. The Swift Voyager 510 is a 4-berth, 4-belt, pretty compact motorhome. It's only 6.19 metres long, but we'll start around the outside of the motorhome. We have our LED daytime running headlights. On the 2025 model, we have front parking sensors. So we have upgraded 16-inch alloys. As you can see, we're on a Ford chassis. You have the lovely blue decals up the side. A nice tinted habitation window, and with the Voyager 510 you also have an exterior barbecue point as well as a shower point. Now at the back of the motorhome we have a reversing camera as well, and we'll go on ahead inside next. Come on in. You'll soon see we'll have loads of exciting upgrades. So we'll start off with our leather multifunctional steering wheel. We'll have our cruise control and speed limiter, as well as our Bluetooth and voice recognition. We also have lane recognition, fully digital cockpit, and we have our automatic drive here. So on to the infotainment system here. We'll have an upgraded infotainment system now. This is 12.5 inch, and here you will find you can change your drive modes. So you have normal, eco, slippery, tow and haul. If you go back here, we have driver assistance. So you can access all of that there. You'll have your built-in reverse camera, your DAB radio system. We're into the living area of the van. Absolutely love the layout of the inside of this. Now, you actually do have a really big lounge considering it's only 6 metres long. We have our electric table, so that will fold out your 2 captain swivel seats there, so that makes a nice open lounge. Above me we have our electric drop down bed, so if it's only 2 years you can drop that the whole way down and just move the cushions out of the way, or else you have your 3rd and your 4th berth below. So on into the kitchen area. Again, we'll have a really good use of space here. There's an additional little worktop if you need it, and that will just fold down out of the way. 2 USB points, your settings for your electric table, really decent sized sink there, and you have your 3-ring gas burner as well as an electric hot plate, combined oven and grill, plenty of storage in here, and behind me we have our Dometic full length fridge freezer, and it's also a 3-way fridge, so it will run off the gas, the electric or the vehicle battery. Welcome to the bathroom. So as you can see, the bathroom is really like a full ensuite effect here. So we'll have our separate shower. Your sink is here. You've got storage underneath there. Additional storage here, and behind me is your toilet. So we have a full length wardrobe here. Now it is currently holding the removable carpets and the cushions, but you just get the gist of it. Like, that is a really decent sized wardrobe there. So as you can see, we run off the Truma Combi gas and electric for our heating and our water. Beside that is our control panel where you can monitor your water levels, your wastewater levels, and beside this is your bed. So just make sure that's unlocked, push the button down, and that will bring the bed down for you. So that was just a quick walk through our Swift Voyager 510. Full details of this motorhome can be seen on our website, thompsonleisure.com. Alternatively, you can get in touch with us on 028 9269 3999, or you can drop me an email, charlotte@thompsonleisure.com. Thank you, bye.